Howdy everybody. Little update on the Wheel Horse tractor. Put some new belts on it. I got these at Napa. This short one here is this one here. And this long one here, it goes from here back to there, is this one. This pulley here, should have turned it around. At a Toro shop, it's that. It's really not the right one though. This pulley here that was on this front one, that was the one that was going bad on me. So I thought, well, let me see if I can find one local, and I found this one, but this one here will not fit here. So the one that was on here is good, so I put it there. Anyway, you get the picture. Also repaired this. That wasn't working properly. I put a new spring on here, and I noticed the spring has to go in that position so that it will pull this back, or I mean it'll pull this back. See how that works? I put a new pin in there that was bent down. Anyway, this wasn't working virtually at all. So now it looks like it's going to work. Of course, I've got it all apart now. I haven't tried it yet, but you just go like this. Your foot hits this thing right here, of course, and then it releases this and then makes this work. So, and I got, let's see, what else did I do? Well, the new belt, this long new belt fixed a lot of problems over here. Put a new spring on here. I didn't like the way they had the spring laying up against this brake shoe, so I put that thing there to raise it up. These are springs I had, and they happen to be working all right. Drained the fluid out of there. It had some moisture in it, and I put some new fluid in it. And I decided to go ahead and paint. That yellow cover was bugging me, so I decided to paint it. And looks like this color is going to be pretty close to Wheel Horse colors. It's this color here. So anyway, I guess that's it. Put a new plug in there. It had a Champion H10C, and the Toro place had one, so I just put it back in there, or put another one in there. And the other one, it was running all right. But let's see here, we're good. You know, it wasn't too bad. I cleaned it up. It was pretty dusty. It was running rich. It probably will still run rich. I'll have to mess with it. Anyway, got a new air filter for it. I got that on eBay. And oh, I got this rubber thing here on eBay. The other one was wore out, or just, it was bad. If you remember right. I guess that's the right one for it. It's hard to tell on those ads in eBay. So anyway, I guess that's it. We'll continue with our project here. I'll give you an update later. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.